Today, we're here with Sony's most popular camera, the A7 Mark III. We're going to tackle one of its most common issues, the HDMI No Signal problem. In this first video, we'll determine if it's a hardware issue and explore other potential solutions. In the second video, we'll solve this widespread hardware problem and explore why it happens. For troubleshooting the HDMI No Signal problem, first ensure that if your monitor has both HDMI input and output ports, the HDMI cable is connected to the input port. Then, verify that you have selected the correct input on your monitor. If it doesn't work, try using another monitor or TV. Additionally, if your monitor has multiple HDMI inputs, try connecting to a different one. Another possible cause of this problem is the HDMI cable itself. Try using a different HDMI cable. In some rare cases, depending on your monitor model, you might get no signal if your camera and monitor settings are incompatible. So, check the compatible settings based on your monitor specifications. If you are still getting no signal, it's time to inspect the camera HDMI port closely, even more closely. Clean the HDMI port with a soft brush. Now, inspect the port for any damage or deformation. The contact area should be secure and all the pins should be intact. If you find any signs of damage, you'll need to replace the micro HDMI port with a new one. Another situation that requires replacing the HDMI connector is when you plug in your HDMI cable and the socket feels loose. In this condition, the signal will cut in and out when the cable moves. If none of these solutions work for you, you are most likely dealing with that mysterious widespread hardware problem. A common expensive solution out there is changing the motherboard, but you don't need to spend over $300. In the next video, we'll show you how to solve this problem without spending a penny and also explain why this widespread issue occurs. Comment down below what you think the mystery hardware problem is. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the InnoTinker channel. See you in the next video.